So my dogs are barking like crazy. I live out in the woods. I got coyotes, foxes, raccoons, all kinds of animals coming. Here's one of the chicken watchers. What's up? What's happening? Let's go see your brothers. Come on. What's up, guys? What's going on? What's all this barking? Huh? What's happening? What's up? Where are the coyotes? Are you guys working? Chicken's okay? What's happening? Nothing? Alright, well, go to work. Go to work, you guys. Who is it? Huh? Who is it? Nothing? Alright, well, go to work.